Okay, so we have a hot skillet here. I'm going to add our little bit of olive oil in there. Get that going. I'm going to add my garlic and my white parts of my onion. I'm going to add my little bit of white onion as well. I'm going to saute this for a few minutes till you start to see through the onion. Okay, now we're going to add our eggplant and our squash and our red pepper flakes into the mix. We're going to saute that for a little bit so they start softening up. Now that our vegetables are starting to soften, we're going to add our chickpeas with the juice and then the tomatoes as well. Canned tomatoes with the juice. We're going to add our herbs as well to that mixture, and we're going to let this simmer for about 8 minutes. Once it's mixed, we're going to just mix it occasionally to make sure it's all getting absorbed well. Now we're going to reduce the heat because it's already thick, and we're going to create little egg pockets. I'm going to use 5 eggs today. So we're going to create little pockets there, and we're just going to slide the eggs in. Make sure you reduce the heat because you want these just to simmer. And we're just going to take a little bit of pepper for seasoning on these and some salt as well. A little salt and pepper seasoning. Then you're going to put the lid on, make sure that heat is reduced. And we're going to wait until those eggs are cooked. Now that my eggs are cooked, I'm going to just take it, make sure you turn the heat off because you're done using the stove. Sprinkle some green onions on top for some extra flavor, and you are ready to serve.